What if I told you there are 4 semiconductor stocks under $10 that could be sitting on game-changing technology? LED chips powering next-gen displays, blockchain mining semiconductors, OLED and power chips for smartphones, and optical computing that could revolutionize AI. These aren't on anyone's radar, but they should be. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hunt for undervalued chip stocks before Wall Street discovers them. This is not financial advice. Always do your research and never invest what you can't lose. Today, we're diving into 4 semiconductor plays with massive upside potential. Let's go. Quick challenge before we start. If this video hits 50 likes, I'll know you want more hidden semiconductor stock analysis like this. So smash that like button right now. Let's crush that 50 like goal together and find the next big chip winner. Our first stock is SemiLEDs Corporation, ticker LEDS, trading at just $1.84 per share. SemiLEDs manufactures high-performance LED chips for lighting and display applications, and they're positioned in some fascinating growth markets. SemiLEDs specializes in LED technology for professional displays, outdoor advertising, stadium screens, and specialty lighting applications. Their LED chips are designed for brightness, color accuracy, and long operational life, critical factors for commercial displays where performance matters more than cost. Here's what makes this interesting. The LED display market is growing rapidly. We're seeing massive LED screens everywhere: Times Square, sports stadiums, concert venues, shopping malls, airports. These aren't just TVs, they're specialized displays requiring high-performance LED chips that can handle brightness, weather, and continuous operation. That's SemiLED's sweet spot. The company is also positioned in the micro-LED and mini-LED markets, which are the next generation of display technology. Micro-LEDs offer better brightness, contrast, and energy efficiency than OLED displays. Apple, Samsung, and other major manufacturers are investing heavily in micro-LED technology for future products. Companies like SemiLEDs that have LED manufacturing expertise could benefit significantly. SemiLEDs has manufacturing facilities and partnerships in Asia, giving them cost-competitive production. They've been working on improving their margins and focusing on higher-value applications where their technology commands premium pricing. Now, full transparency, at $1.84, LEDS is a penny stock with all the associated risks. They've had profitability challenges and face competition from larger LED manufacturers. However, if the micro-LED markets or specialty display markets take off and SemiLEDs captures even a small piece, this stock could multiply several times. This is a speculative play on LED technology evolution and specialty display market growth. Small position, high risk, but potentially very high reward if the LED display market continues expanding and new technologies like micro-LED gain adoption. At under $2, the entry point is accessible for almost any investor willing to take calculated risks on semiconductor technology. Moving to our second stock, Intchains Group Limited, ticker ICG, at $1.75. And this one is really interesting because they're in the blockchain and cryptocurrency mining semiconductor business, a sector that moves with crypto cycles. Intchains designs and potentially manufactures ASIC chips, application-specific integrated circuits built specifically to mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies efficiently. When crypto prices rise, mining becomes profitable, and demand for mining chips explodes. Here's the opportunity. Bitcoin just went through its halving event, which historically precedes major bull runs. Bitcoin is consolidating above $40,000. Institutional adoption is growing. Bitcoin ETFs are pulling supply off exchanges. If we're entering a new crypto bull market, and many indicators suggest we are, mining chip demand will skyrocket. Intchains also appears to be involved in blockchain infrastructure and potentially other semiconductor applications beyond just mining. Diversification beyond pure crypto mining reduces risk and provides multiple revenue pathways as blockchain technology expands into enterprise applications. The mining chip market is dominated by companies like Bitmain, but there's room for additional players, especially those offering competitive pricing or specialized solutions for different algorithms or mining operations. Intchains' positioning in this space could prove valuable as mining operations scale. Now, I need to be honest, information on Intchains is somewhat limited, and they're a microcap stock trading at $1.75. This is extremely high risk. The company could be early stage or restructuring. But if they have legitimate mining chip technology and crypto enters a major bull market, the leverage could be enormous. This is the highest risk play of our 4 stocks. Only invest money you can afford to lose completely. But for crypto believers who want semiconductor exposure to the mining industry, Intchains at $1.75 offers that exposure at a price where even significant losses are manageable, while potential gains could be substantial. Pure speculation, but with calculated position sizing, it's an interesting lottery ticket. Now for our third stock, Magnachip Semiconductor Corporation, ticker MX at $2.88. Magnachip is a legitimate, established semiconductor company that's been beaten down but has real technology and revenue, making this potentially the value play of our 4 picks. Magnachip designs and manufactures analog and mixed-signal semiconductor products, focusing primarily on display solutions and power semiconductors. Their display driver ICs go into OLED displays for smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. They also produce power management chips for various applications. Here's why this matters. OLED display adoption is accelerating. More smartphones are using OLED screens. Foldable phones require advanced display technology. Automotive displays are going OLED. Wearables need efficient, high-quality small displays. Magnachip's display driver ICs are essential components enabling these OLED displays to function. The company has relationships with major display panel manufacturers, primarily in Korea and China. They're a trusted supplier with proven technology and manufacturing capabilities. This isn't speculative. They generate real revenue selling chips into real products, shipping today. Magnachip has faced challenges, including a failed acquisition attempt and market headwinds in the smartphone sector. The stock has been hammered from much higher levels, which is why we're looking at it at $2.88. But the underlying business remains solid. They have valuable IP, manufacturing assets, and customer relationships. The turnaround thesis is straightforward. As the smartphone market stabilizes and OLED adoption grows across categories, Magnachip's display business should recover. Their power semiconductor business provides additional diversification. If management can execute on their strategy and margins improve, this stock could easily double or triple from current levels. At $2.88, Magnachip is trading at distressed valuations despite being a profitable, revenue-generating semiconductor company with real technology. This is classic value investing, buying a beaten-down but fundamentally sound business at a discount. Risk exists, but it's significantly lower than LEDs or ICG because Magnachip has established operations and customers. This is my second favorite pick for risk-adjusted returns. And finally, our fourth stock is POET Technologies, ticker POET at $7.38. POET is developing optical interposer technology for high-speed data communication, and if their technology works as promised, this could be absolutely massive. POET's optical interposer platform integrates optical and electronic components on a single chip, enabling ultra-fast data transmission using light instead of electricity. This is critical for AI data centers, high-performance computing, and telecommunications, where data bottlenecks are limiting performance. POET's technology could enable the next generation of AI infrastructure. Every major tech company, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, are building massive AI data centers. They all face the same challenge, getting data moving fast enough. Optical interconnects are the solution, and POET has developed a platform that could become the standard. The company has partnerships and development agreements with companies in the AI and telecommunications space. They're working on commercial products and moving toward production. Their optical engines are being designed into next-generation systems for AI training, AI inference, and high-bandwidth networking. The optical interconnect market for AI and data centers is projected to grow exponentially, from billions today to potentially $50 billion as AI scales. If POET's technology gets adopted as a standard solution, the company could be worth multiples of its current price. Now, the risk. POET is pre-revenue in terms of large-scale commercial deployment. This is emerging technology with execution risk. They need to prove their technology works at scale, is cost-competitive, and can be manufactured in volume. That's significant risk. However, at $7.38, if POET succeeds, this stock could easily reach $50, $100, or beyond.
So there you have it, 4 semiconductor stocks under $10 with 4 completely different stories. SemiLEDs betting on LED display evolution at $1.84, Intchains offering crypto mining chip exposure at $1.75, Magnachip as the value play on OLED displays at $2.88, and POET Technologies as the breakthrough optical computing opportunity at $7.38. These are very different risk profiles. LEDs and ICG are pure speculation, small positions, high risk, potentially massive returns. Magnachip is the value play, beaten down but fundamentally solid. POET is the breakthrough technology bet, high risk but potentially transformational if they execute. My honest take? If I had to pick one, I'd go with POET at $7.38 for the optical computing opportunity. Second choice would be Magnachip at $2.88 for the risk-adjusted value. But the beauty of these being under $10 is you could take small positions in all 4 and diversify your semiconductor speculation. Here's the key. These are not core portfolio holdings. These are speculative positions, maybe 1 to 3% of your portfolio each. The risk is real, but when semiconductor companies break through, the returns can be life-changing. So my question for you, which of these 4 chip stocks resonates most? Are you going for broke with LEDs or ICG, playing value with Magnachip, betting on optical computing with POET, or building positions in all 4? Drop a comment and tell me your strategy. And did we crush that 50 like goal? Let me see those likes. If we did, you're absolutely incredible. If we're close, hit that button right now. Subscribe for more hidden semiconductor analysis and share this with any chip stock investors you know. Remember, semiconductor investing is volatile and risky, especially at these price levels. Do your homework, manage your position sizes, and only invest what you can afford to lose. But for those willing to take calculated risks on chip technology, the potential rewards are enormous. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Now go find your next semiconductor winner before the crowd does. Peace.